Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up annotative text and dimensions using the easy method. This is a great way to activate automated text scaling on your current setup session so your numbers and labels look perfectly uniform across every single paper print sheet. Step 1. Open your Measurement Style Manager and create a new style row where you can activate the Smart Sizing features. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen, type the single letter D on your keyboard, press the Enter key, and then click the button on the right side of the panel that says New. Type a simple name like Smart Dimensions into the name entry box and click the checkmark button to proceed to the main configuration setup. Because you cannot use Smart Sizing without creating an official rulebook row for your drawing tools first. Opening this preference manager ensures that you leave the old, regular factory layout styles untouched while you build a better template. Without this step, your measurement lines will stay dumb and won't know how to resize themselves later when you move your camera around. Step 2. Turn on the Smart Sizing toggle switch. Next, you need to navigate to the correct Options tab inside your Style window to flip on the specific background calculation rule that links your text size directly to your print window zoom numbers. Look at the top rows of your Open Settings window, click on the tab labeled Fit, move your eyes to the middle section, and click the small empty box next to the word Annotative to put a checkmark inside it. Double-check your monitor view to ensure that the small box is completely filled, then click the OK button at the bottom and click Close to return to your screen canvas rows. Because checking this single box writes a permanent tracking instruction into the tool's individual memory card. It tells the software engine to stop treating your text like a fixed static line and instead treat it like an adjustable label that watches your print scales constantly. It ensures that your markers remain perfectly balanced across your entire file. Step 3. Activate your Auto Scale Assistance buttons at the bottom row. Now you need to move down to the very bottom utility row of your screen to wake up the background tracking system so it adds size options to your notes automatically. Look at the bottom right corner of your monitor view, locate the tiny icon that looks like a blueprint triangle with a yellow lightning bolt next to it, and click it once so it turns bright blue. Move your cursor to the icon right next to it, the single blueprint triangle, and click that one as well so both buttons are glowing blue side by side on your screen canvas. Because these two small helper tools manage how the software engine displays your smart text live on your screen layout. The lightning bolt button tells the system to automatically attach new print size rules to your notes whenever you zoom your layout window to a new number. Turning the second triangle button to blue acts as an open viewing lane, ensuring nothing accidentally vanishes from sight while you are still working. And that's it. To set up annotative text and dimensions, you must first type D and press Enter to open your Style Manager panel and create a new template. Then you move to the Fit tab and check the box labeled Annotative to activate the Smart Sizing feature. Next, you look at the bottom right corner of your screen canvas rows and turn both blueprint triangle icons bright blue to wake up the automatic helper systems. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.